Well, it's a storm, it's a tsunami, and the BJP, what a comprehensive victory for the Mahayuti. The BJP, the Shiv Sena Shinde faction and Ajit Pawar together have literally scripted history. It's even better than the last best performance of the BJP in the state of Maharashtra alone. The BJP getting a strike rate of over 85%. Now, that is a record of sorts. 145 seats is what they had contested, and at the last count, I think 128 is where they are leading, and that's a strike rate of about 86 odd percent, 86, 87%. Shinde Sena also performing extremely well. The message is clear that Rahul Gandhi and the India Alliance's entire narrative of संविधान खतरे में है, जाति जनगणना, corruption and crony capitalism, all of them have literally fallen on their face. The appeasement has taken their numbers to what it is currently showing. On the other hand, the BJP with its एक है safe है, Prime Minister Modi's clarion call, एक हैं safe हैं, and Yogi Adityanath, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, has actually created a message amongst people, probably put off by the kind of fatwas that were coming, the support coming in from Nomani, from AIM, PLB, all of that showed that appeasement for votes was the only agenda that the opposition had. With this, of course, the narrative, the corrective actions that the BJP took between June and November clearly has yielded them great results, not only addressing the agrarian crisis problem, whether it is in the sugar belt, the soybean belt, or the issue of schemes such as Ladki Behna have worked extremely well for the Mahayuti. Today they are celebrating. Calls have gone from Amit Shah to Devendra Fadnavis jubilant there in Maharashtra. The next big question facing the BJP is who's going to be Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Devendra Fadnavis, will he come back? Is it time for him to put the sacrifices that he's made to keep his party and alliance in position in Maharashtra? Should he be rewarded or should it be Eknath Shinde? That is the big question that is the next on the agenda. But also absolutely true to previous performances, the EVM Bahana is back. Let's listen in to Sanjay Raut, let's listen in to Supriya Srinath, both of whom are making literally cracks at the EVMs jahan kuch gadbad hai. Only in Maharashtra, not in Jharkhand. Listen in.
I will not mince my words. Maharashtra has been disappointing. In fact, Maharashtra has been hugely disappointing. We were expecting a better performance there. We have not been able to deliver what we had initially envisaged as far as Maharashtra is concerned. But Maharashtra cannot overshadow what is happening in Jharkhand. Jharkhand, we are well on our way to form the government again. It clearly looks that our pro-people schemes have worked there. It clearly looks that people of Jharkhand have spoken against the divisive, polarizing politics that was being led by none other than the Prime Minister who invoked Beti in this election. I will only say that EVM and EC and how the BJP misuses agencies and tampers with mandates is something that we will look into. It is not hidden.
आप कह रहे कि कुछ गड़बड़ है,
गड़बड़ तो है।
गड़बड़ क्या है? मतलब
अभी
ईवीएम में गड़बड़ है या
अरे भाई ठहरो,
फंडिंग हुआ है,
पूरे नतीजे आने तो हम बाद में बात करेंगे। नतीजे कबूल नहीं है, मैं मानता हूँ जनता को भी नतीजे कबूल नहीं है। कैसा हो सकता है? आप अपने मन को पूछे, आप पत्रकार है, आप अपने मन को पूछे क्या महाराष्ट्र में संभव है? आप अपने मन को पूछे कि महाराष्ट्र में शिंदे को 60 सीटें मिलती है, संभव है क्या ये? अजीत पवार को 40 सीटें मिलती है, क्या ये संभव है? भारतीय जनता पार्टी को 125 सीटें मिलती है, क्या संभव है? क्या इस राज्य की जनता भी बेईमान है? इस राज्य की जनता बेईमान नहीं है, इसके ऊपर हमारा विश्वास है। चलिए,
EVMs are at fault. Vivek Srivastava?
Yes, I absolutely agree with what Sanjay Rawat was saying. It's a managed election. It was managed in Haryana.
Can I say something?
Kashmir, no, मैं और ज्यादा खुलासे कर देता हूँ, सुन लीजिए आप।
हाँ, बताइए।
The BJP did not want to rule in Kashmir because they had burned their fingers in PDP earlier. They gave up and EVM का मैनिपुलेशन किया गया हरियाणा में। यहां पे झारखंड भी शायद ढील छोड़ करके जितवाया गया है, जिससे हल्ला हम ना मचाएं, और महाराष्ट्र को मैनेज किया गया है, इस देश की व्यवस्था को मैनेज किया जा रहा है, ईवीएम्स को हैक किया गया है।
सो सिर्फ ईवीएम खराब नहीं है, इंटेंशंस खराब है और कॉन्स्पिरेसी पूरी है।
नाविका, एक बात में मैं विवेक जी से सहमत हूं, महाराष्ट्र को मैनेज किया है, और जिन लोगों ने मैनेज किया है, दे kudos to them, they really deserve our applause। और वो 4 लोग हैं, नरेंद्र, देवेंद्र, आदित्यनाथ, एकनाथ।
हम भी यही कह रहे हैं, हम भी यही कह रहे हैं कि इन्हीं ने मैनेज किया है।
I want to ask Sanjay Jha, 1 minute, I want to ask Sanjay Jha, EVM की गलती है?
I want to answer the question by putting 2 points in front of you. Number one, it tells you today's results in Avika that strategies work in one state, don't work in the other. Look at Jharkhand. The BJP's extremely repugnant campaign was removed by the Election Commission because it was seen to be communally very divisive, right? And that campaign boomeranged for the BJP in Jharkhand, and I want to congratulate JVC for almost predicting that. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, it's worked. Now, here is the point that ek hai to safe hai, butting hai to cutting hai. Basically, India is unique. We are diverse. Some strategies work here, some don't work there.
May I just correct you on that because at this point, I want to read out the BJP's numbers in Jharkhand. The BJP is absolutely equal to the JMM.
Fair enough. It's not forming the government.
It is, yes, it isn't. Doesn't look like it will. And its, alliance partners haven't delivered. So to say that the BJP's campaign did not work, is that quite correct? Well, let me get in Shehzad Poonawala, national spokesperson of the BJP, joining the broadcast. Also joining us this afternoon is Advocate Sushil Vyas, Shiv Sena Shinde group. JVC, of course, joins the debate. We have Kishore Tiwari, Sabha Naqvi, Varun Singh in the studios. Gaurav Chachra of the Samajwadi Party, Narendra Verma of the NCP Sharad Pawar faction, and Pawan Rao Ambedkar of the AIMIM, all guests joining us. But Shehzad, to you first. Sanjay Jha says your campaign, repugnant campaign, quote unquote, has worked in Maharashtra, not worked in Jharkhand. Please respond.
Navika, I hope I won't be interrupted, but that kind of patronizing attitude, and especially by Sanjay, who lives in Maharashtra and Mumbai, to say that Maharashtrian people will accept a repugnant campaign. It is an insult of the people of Maharashtra. It is an insult of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, that he is saying that a repugnant campaign has been accepted by people of Maharashtra. This is the arrogance, elitism, and the complete disconnect people like Sanjay Jha and Congress operate with. By the way, Congress and Sharad Pawar ji and Uddhav Thackeray ji, I think all three have got less than independents. So what happened to their Chanakya Niti? And by the way, Congress has been the biggest drain on its allies, be it Jammu Kashmir, its own performance in Haryana, be it in Maharashtra, be it in Jharkhand. It is the biggest drag force. And fourthly, let me tell you that today when we are seeing the Maharashtra victory, look at one thing. BJP has done well in Jharkhand also, but BJP has done outstandingly in Maharashtra. It has secured 85% strike rate, Eknath ji 71%, Ajit ji 62-63%, Maratha seats NDA dominates, OBC seats NDA dominates, Dalit seats NDA dominates, which means एक है तो सेफ है, ये नारा बिल्कुल जमीन पर उतरा है और नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व ने और इस सामाजिक एकता के नारे ने इन बांटने वालों को अपनी दुकान बंद करके नो मैन्स लैंड, नोमानी के चेले नो मैन्स लैंड में पहुंच गए हैं.
Well, Navika, can I ask Shahzad Poonawala? Tell me, Shahzad, when the Prime Minister says ek hai to safe hai, why is he admitting to the people of India that according to him, India ek nahi hai or India safe nahi hai? Why? He's been Prime Minister for 10 years. Is he admitting failure? Or is he trying to polarize and divide our society?
Can I answer that question now, Sanjay?
Sanjay Jha, that's
Let him answer.
Can I
Yes.
answer that question, Sanjay?
Yeah.
Go. Yes, Shahzad.
Thank you, Sanjay Jha. When you and your ilk said united we stand, divided we fall, were you saying that we were not united? The prospect of not being united is that we will be divided, and the prospect of being divided is that we will fall. एक रहेंगे तो सेफ ही रहेंगे, एक नहीं रहेंगे तो बटेंगे और कटेंगे. तो ये तो आपको अब प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आपको लॉस इन ट्रांसलेशन है. मैं आपको इटालियन वर्जन भेज देता हूं इसका ट्रांसलेट करके. पर एक रहना, ये एक देश रहता है, बांटने वाले अलग अलग तरीके से आते हैं. जिनको अपनी जाति नहीं पता वो जाति जाति करते हैं. हाँ, जो कर्नाटका में कास्ट सर्वे नहीं करवा पाते वो कास्ट सेंसस की बात करते हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि बांटने वाले कौन है, उनकी दुकान आज बंद कर दी गई. बाय द वे, ये
रणनीति आपका झारखंड में नहीं चला, उसका जवाब नहीं दिया आपने. आपने झारखंड में ये रणनीति आपका चला नहीं, उसका जवाब तो दीजिए कम से कम.
देखिए,
आप महाराष्ट्र के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, आपको धन्यवाद हो, लेकिन जरा झारखंड की तरह कुछ टिप्पणी कर दे.
बधाई हो.
हाँ, बधाई हो, बधाई हो, बधाई.
धन्यवाद वो बोलेंगे.
नहीं, बधाई भी दे देते, बधाई भी दे देते, बधाई नहीं दे रहे. जवाब तो दीजिए. झारखंड के बारे में कुछ बोलिएगा क्या?
झारखंड पर जवाब दीजिए शहजाद भाई, क्योंकि किशोर तिवारी जी का कुछ मेजर एनालिसिस है, मैं उस पर आ रही हूं. उससे पहले झारखंड पर जवाब दीजिए.
चुप हो गए
नाविका जी, निश्चित रूप से हम झारखंड की जनता के मैंडेट को हम लोग सहज स्वीकारते हैं. और जनता ने ये बताया है कि वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खिलाफ नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी को तो सीट बढ़ी है या उतनी सीट मिली है जितनी पहले थी. उन्होंने हालांकि ये बता दिया है कि जिस प्रकार की राजनीति कांग्रेस करती है उसको वो कतई पसंद नहीं करती. दो अलायंसेस है, एक है इंडिया अलायंस, एक एनडीए अलायंस. एनडीए अलायंस में बीजेपी मेन प्लेयर, इंडिया अलायंस में कांग्रेस मेन प्लेयर. बीजेपी अपने अलायंस को उठाती है, ये कांग्रेस अपने अलायंस को दबाती है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बीजेपी एंड कांग्रेस.
डुबाती है. आई वांट टू गेट इन किशोर तिवारी, कमिंग टू जेबीसी. किशोर तिवारी जी, मुझे अब ये बताइए कि आज के नक्षत्रों के हिसाब से और तमाम इस देश के बाहर के एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स के हिसाब से उद्धव सेना का आगे क्या होगा?
हमको नए से काम चालू करना पड़ेगा. और एक बात मैं बताता हूं, मेरे मित्र
गद्दार कौन?
हाँ,
काटेंगे कौन? मुंबई की तरफ देखा तो काटेंगे, अब देख लिया, ले भी लिया, अब किसको काटेंगे?
अरे वो तो रहेगा ही, हमारा उखाड़ देंगे. तुम तो रुको ना, मैं अभी बोल रहा हूं जो मेरा सुनो कि एकनाथ शिंदे ये जो कद्दावर नेता थे, इनको लूज करना हमें महंगा पड़ा. ये आज हमको कबूल करना पड़े. और वो बीच, हाँ मैं बता रहा हूँ,
कबूल.
अरे नहीं रुको यार, अभी तुम मैं ना मशीन खराब है, ये खराब है. अरे रुको, अरे भाई मैं
उद्धव जी की पीठ में छुरा भोंका आप.
अरे भाई,
हो गया, फिर झगड़ा हो गया.
अरे भाई देखो,
यही ऐसे ही एडवाइजर थे उद्धव जी के.
एक मिनट में पूरी बात करता हूँ
जी.
2.5 साल के अंदर जो हार्डवर्क एकनाथ शिंदे ने किया और लाड़की बहन योजना का जो इंपैक्ट दिखा, तो मैं चुनाव प्रचार में था और मेरे कांग्रेस के एक कार्यकर्ता के घर गया, तो मैंने बोला तेरे मिसेस को थोड़ा ऐसा गुगली मारकर पूछ लेना. तो वो बोली कि 3,000 तो बराबर है, परंतु जब अपने पास पैसे की बहुत तकलीफ थी तो 2,500 रुपए, 4,500 रुपए इन्होंने अकाउंट में डाले और उन्होंने ना बेनिफिशियरी सबको बना डाला, कोई चेक नहीं किया. 2,500-4,500 रुपए आ रहे हैं. अब उन्होंने 2,100 बोला है, तो अब हमने रास्ते पे उतर के 2,100 कराना है. हाँ, कपास के लिए उन्होंने बोला है।
तो ये आपको चुनाव के नतीजों से पहले नहीं समझ आ रहा था, अब आ रहा है?
अरे भाई, और जो एडवाइजर है ना हमारे,
कौन?
अरे ये कैसे बीच में मत बोलो।
नहीं, नाम बताइए किशोर तिवारी जी। इस वक्त एनालिसिस का समय है, अब इशारों में नहीं बात चलेगी, आप सीधा बताइए।
देखो मातोश्री में जो ऐसे कान को लगा के बात करते हैं, वो लोगों ने गलत मुद्दे दिए। और वैसे ही राहुल जी को बताया कि लोकसभा में चली थी किताब, अभी भी वो संविधान की किताब चलेगी, लेकिन राज्य सरकार संविधान को बदल नहीं सकती और वो इंपैक्ट नहीं कर रहा था। दूसरा इन्होंने क्या बोल दिया, हम 50% के ऊपर बढ़ा दी, तो ओबीसी घबरा गए कि ये दुकान ही हो जाएगी ना। तो मैं बता रहा हूं 5% जो बढ़ा हुआ वोट था, वो गलत कैंपेन कराने के लिए। अभी ऐसा हुआ था कि एक मिनट सभा, सिविल सोसाइटी के लोग, हाँ, जिनको उनके जो हाउसिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स में रहता उसमें पड़ोसी नहीं पहचानता, वो लोग भारत सरकार बनाने को आए थे, तो तब थोड़ा हो गया था। बीच में फिर बोले हरियाणा में आंधी है कि सुमानी है कि क्या क्या है, वैसे एडवाइजर बहुत घूम रहे थे।
So is it fair only to leave it to the advisors that Uddhav Thackeray has bad advisors, Rahul Gandhi has bad advisors?
नहीं, obviously not. I mean, if you're the leader, then you're going to lead from the front. आप कितने एडवाइजर्स अपने सैक करोगे? पिछले 10 साल से आप कितने 28 इलेक्शंस हारे हो, 28 एडवाइजर्स तो नहीं थे आपके, and you still have retained those advisors. किशोर जी भी हंस रहे हैं, लेकिन
हमारे दर्द, हमारे हाथ को
मैं दर्द नहीं पहुंचा रहा, लेकिन मैं एक चीज कहूंगा। देखिए, किशोर जी एंड संजय जी हैव बीन वेरी ग्रेशियस इन देयर डिफीट, आई रियली अपलॉड देम। लेकिन किशोर जी ने जो एक बात कही ना, वो हमें एज अ कंट्री भी सोचनी पड़ेगी। हो सकता है आज वो दिन नहीं हो बताने का जो इन्होंने कहा। देखिए, एक रीजन ये है कि उन्होंने बिना सोचे समझे हर एक के अकाउंट में 4,500 रुपए डाले। ये इस देश को डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकता है। महाराष्ट्र की डेट ऑलरेडी नाविका 8 लाख करोड़ है।
आनंद रंगनाथन, आज पॉलिटिक्स का डे है, इकोनॉमिक्स का डे नहीं है। बट द बिग अनाउंसमेंट दैट्स कमिंग इन फ्रॉम प्रियंका चतुर्वेदी, वी मस्ट लिसन इन टू व्हाट शी इज सेइंग।
क्लियरली अगर आप जैसे बार बार मन में एक शंका होती है कि जो पहली बार नहीं उठ रहा है, बार बार उठता जा रहा है, कि क्या ईवीएम पे भी व्यापक चर्चा होनी चाहिए, स्टेक होल्डर से बात करनी चाहिए। इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको सीधे सीधे खारिज कर देता है, रादर देन विनिंग ओवर द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ द पीपल। इवन फॉर मी मेंटली इट्स क्वाइट अनएक्सेप्टेबल। एक प्रश्न चिन्ह उठाता है कि क्या ये सही मायने में फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन था।
Sanjay Jha, we are back to EVM cursing.
No, there's one, before I come to that, I will answer that. There is a point that I think Kishore ji mentioned and Anand mentioned, the mistake that I think the Congress party made in the Maharashtra election. Now, everybody's talking about the Ladli Behna scheme, right? $1,500 a month. The Congress came out with a scheme, the Mahalakshmi scheme, which promised double the amount. The problem, it announced the scheme literally days before the election. And even then, I don't think there was any aggressive communication of that. And that is the problem. If I no, just 1 minute, PVC. I actually personally, and I'll say it publicly, I suggested to
His name is JVC.
So sorry. Yeah.
BBC बोलती है।
Yeah. No, so here is my point. The Congress party should have announced a counter to Ladli Behna, knowing that it had gained
But
traction.
they've done the Nyay scheme, they did the Khatakat scheme, it hasn't worked.
Taken it to the people.
Well, even if they did, they got forms filled in the Lok Sabha election, it didn't work for them. And
They brought Revanth Reddy, who promised 3,000 rupees in Telangana for women, and he has not paid a single paisa. Farmer waiver, he has not done it.
Well,
No 6 guarantees, no guarantees been fulfilled.
Varun is a voter.
He won, but here he came here.
Okay.
People, everybody said.
The people who promised this win.
No, they win, but the other states say कि अपने स्टेट में डिलीवर नहीं हुआ है, यहाँ
As a voter, to be very honest, what went wrong with the Congress was the intent. The people of the Maharashtra didn't accept that they will actually give something, and not only that, अभी तो इनका मतलब कांग्रेस का क्या हाल है? कांग्रेस के सपोर्टर जो हैं वो भी कांग्रेस को गाली दे रहे हैं, जो कांग्रेस के बगल में बैठे हैं यूबीटी वाले कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने गलत किया।
This is constructive feedback. This is not
Okay,
that
I'm saying.
Okay, let me get in Narendra Verma of the NCP. Narendra Verma जी, ईवीएम खराब है कि रिजल्ट खराब है?
नाविका जी, लोकतंत्र में जब कोई जनादेश आता है तो वो जनादेश हमें मानना चाहिए, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम, हैविंग सेड दिस, द रिजल्ट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र is really surprising. It has surprised, it has unexpected. Navika ji, you come from Maharashtra and you have your team, yourself, you have moved in all the regions of Maharashtra, whether it is Marathwada, Vidarbha, Paschim Maharashtra, Uttar Maharashtra, everywhere. And you must have seen the atmosphere. Just 5 months prior, the general election 2024, you saw the result. Out of 48, 42 seats were with Mahavikas Aghadi, and they have gone below 50%. Means they have lost all the credibility. And how come this result 56? Mahayuti, there has to be.
So Shehzad Poonawalla, why have they lost? अब ये analysis भी आप ही को करके बताना पड़ेगा.
देखिए नाविका जी, दिस इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनल कमिटमेंट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. नरेंद्र जी, क्योंकि नाविका ने मेरा नाम लिया तो मैं अपनी बात रख लूं. कंडीशनल कमिटमेंट टू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. मैं वायनाड में मान लूंगा ईवीएम को, मैं ईवीएम को मान लूंगा झारखंड में, मैं ईवीएम मान लूंगा जम्मू कश्मीर में, पर मैं ईवीएम को नहीं मानूंगा हरियाणा में और महाराष्ट्र में. दूसरी बात नाविका जी, जस्ट फॉर योर ऑडियंस एंड फॉर यू, यू नो दैट द 3 पार्टीज, कांग्रेस, NCP, Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Sena, they have not secured enough seats to even become LOP in Maharashtra. ये चाणक्य नीति चल रही है इनकी. None of them apparently, from what I can see, have enough seats to claim the position of LOP by themselves, just by themselves. This is point number 1. Point number 2, not just Priyanka Chaturvedi, Navika, I have sent you the tweet of Swara Bhaskar also. Swara Bhaskar, whose husband is a candidate from Sharad Pawar faction. Narendra Verma ji is from Sharad Pawar faction. She is saying that the EVM is charged 99% battery and therefore this EVM is not a proper EVM and it is a manipulation that is being done. तो ये लोग भी EVM का राग अलापने पे आगे आ चुके हैं. और आखिरी बात मैं सिर्फ इतना पूछना चाहता हूं कि नरेंद्र जी एक बात बता दीजिए, चलिए मिलजुल के एक साथ आकर एलओपी मांगेंगे, तो आप हमसे बहुत सारा पूछ रहे थे सीएम कौन, आप बता दीजिए एलओपी कौन.
Not only that,
नरेंद्र जी एलओपी कौन?
के संदर्भ में अपने जो ज्येष्ठ एलओपी, देखिए वो ज्येष्ठ नेता हमारे जो शीर्ष नेतृत्व है तीनों, सब यानी कि पूरी जो महाविकास आघाड़ी के हैं, वो बैठ के फैसला करेंगे. और मैं मानता हूं आपकी बात कि नंबर्स मैटर्स जब हम लोकतंत्र की बात करते हैं, लेकिन हमारी यहां चर्चा ये हो रही है कि 5 महीने पहले के नतीजे और आज विधानसभा के नतीजे, हम लोकतंत्र में लोकशाही यानी कि लोगों ने जो मैंडेट दिया है उसका हम आदर करते हैं, लेकिन इस तरह से जो चीजें कटेंगे तो बटेंगे तो कटेंगे. खुद अजीत पवार ने कहा था कि ये महाराष्ट्र में नहीं चलेगा. योगी जी यूपी हराकर महाराष्ट्र में आए थे, वहां पे यानी लोगों में इतना.
Sir, I'm so touched that the NCP Sharad Pawar faction is quoting NCP Ajit Pawar faction. And that is the situation. The originals and the copies, the election commission has given its verdict. But let me give some breaking news that's coming in. At 3 p.m, Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar will address a press conference at Varsha, and this is I think the residence of the chief minister. And at 3 p.m. they will address the media. Also Ajit Pawar has called his MLAs for a meeting at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, so action picking up on the ground in Maharashtra. But apart from this, JVC, the question is also going to be about the other states.
Yeah.
In Punjab, The Aam Aadmi Party gets 3 out of 4. EVMs are fine.
Yes.
In
Karnataka?
West Bengal, 6 out of 6 to Mamata Banerjee.
Yes.
EVMs are fine. In UP they are not working, and in Maharashtra they are not working.
Kerala is
Jharkhand
working.
also they are fine. Kerala is
also
working.
Karnataka is also working. 3 out of 3.
Karnataka is also
3 out of 3.
working.
Can Congress won all three?
All three.
All three. Okay.
So Karnataka it's working.
वहाँ कैडर है हमारा
सरकार
है,
so,
बचा रखा है
so why is there a selective discussion and debate on EVMs? Number one, but first let's just take a look at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's just tweeted out his message to the Karyakartas on this comprehensive victory. Again, the Prime Minister there, if we can have the tweet on the screen, and Prime Minister Modi congratulating all the Karyakartas in the Mahayuti. Congratulations also to all Karyakartas for this fabulous victory, and has finally rid Maharashtra from the curse of entitled dynasties. So there is a big message that is come.
Part also to it. He says spoke to Devendra Fadnavis and congratulated him on the gigantic
win in of the
Mahayuti.
So Prime Minister calls Devendra Fadnavis.
Parody.
Is there?
Parody.
Oh, sorry. That's a parody account of Narendra Modi. I'm sorry. I was told there is an account. I apologize. This is not Narendra Modi's Twitter. Everything, parades as the original. But I'm extremely sorry, viewers. That is not Narendra Modi. That's a parody account. Take back my words at this point. But JVC, EVMs selectively okay?
Absolutely no. See, as long as this narrative is going to be the one which Congress and the other India Alliance partners are going to continue, BJP would continue to have a smile and would be laughing their way in every election. Because they need to look at, microscopically, Congress and other partners need to look at what went wrong in this election. Everything that could go wrong went wrong for the Congress party. Failed guarantees in neighboring states, in Karnataka and Telangana, has impacted Maharashtra. First and foremost, they need to understand that. Number two, seat sharing arrangement. I still believe if Congress had fought more number of seats in Vidarbha, did not concede those seats to SSUBT till the last minute, if the alliance talks were not just going on and they wrapped it up well in time, then this verdict, this kind of a humiliating defeat would not have come. Congress would have performed better than what its numbers are. So who went to the negotiation table? Can Congress introspect? What did Varsha Gaikwad talk? Why Nana Patel walked away from the negotiation? These are the question marks which they need to answer. And how long you can show the constitution and seek votes in favor of India Alliance. And always, I'll wrap it up with one just comment. You can't set the same narrative in two elections and expect to win. Yes. Now, Maratha families were divided, constitution is in danger, reservation will be abolished, caste census. The same narrative, because it's a localized election. In a localized election, advantage was with Magayuti, and that was the reason why I kept telling right through my exit poll projection that Magayuti would win, because localized election they performed very well. Jharkhand, Sanjay Jaji, the same day when I was presenting the exit poll, I said it is a very close race, and also very importantly, I also said Soren is doing a wonderful narrative, setting up a narrative, saying that they are.
JVC, that calls for a celebration, and when South Indians do the Bhangra. Yes. All right, Sabha first. No, lady, Sabha.
The problem with the Agadi from the very beginning was they had no story to tell except you are Gaddar. We are not Gaddar. We are the real. Now, in a state, now I'll give you one data which is of interest. In Maharashtra, the average assets are over 9 crore. Jharkhand, there are 2 crores of candidate. We do an average. In a state where elected people make so much money, if you have no narrative except Hamari Izzat, what about Logon ki Izzat? And once the Latki Behan started to reach people, they were just able to flip it around when you have nothing new to say. Let's not forget that even in the US you had an election where it was not clear what the Democrats stood for. What they would say is that wo communal hai, hum secular hai. That does not matter. What matters is आप
then
लोग के लिए
Sabha,
है कि
then
नहीं?
explain
It
to
does
me
matter.
why had you analyzed that this would be a close
That's what I was
election?
told. I said I went there, Navika. I went there
No,
only
but
for a few
the
days.
fact that there was no
Everybody
narrative, the
thought.
fact that there was no message
now we
is
have to-
something
Navika,
that we all knew.
कल स्टूडियो से निकलते वक्त सभा ने
नाविका,
और मैंने बात की तो सभा ने कहा मुझे कि अगर जो आप बोल रहे हो 6% वोट बढ़ा है औरतों का तो ये स्वीप होगा।
तो I mean, I'm
She did
responding to the fact.
Both Sabha Naqvi and
But that was off screen. On screen you
You
said.
asked me in the exit poll data दे दो. तो I'm giving you what the main
नहीं,
papers
मैं
are.
बहुत अच्छा ऐड कर रहा हूँ। इन्होंने जो बोला ना विदर्भ और मराठवाड़ा, तो विदर्भ के अंदर झगड़ के 22 सीटें शरद पवार जी और उद्धव जी के लोगों ने ली।
ये सब क्लैन
और एक मिनट
पॉलिटिकल
सभा
नहीं, मैंने बहुत देर के बाद एक लाइन बोली।
अरे
और मैं मतलब आप लोग बोलते ही जा रहे हैं।
अभी आर्टिकल
नहीं,
बना
मैं
ले।
सुन रही हूँ।
हाँ, मैं बोलता हूँ
चाहिए और कुछ नहीं।
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत अच्छी बात है कि इनका सुपड़ा साफ हो गया।
किसका?
ये 22 सीटों में से एक भी सीट नहीं आई।
कौन ये इनका कौन ये
UBT, कांग्रेस।
आप अपनी बात कर रहे
अरे
हैं।
मैं शरद पवार जी के 12 सीट और हमारे
थर्ड है।
अरे तुम रुको ना, 24 अगर 24 दे देते थे इनको, कांग्रेस को 12 निकाल लेती थी। ऐसा ही सब तरफ हुआ है। मराठवाड़ा, सबसे हमको बुरी बात क्या लग रही, बंबई में हमें 7 MLA आ रहे हैं। तो ये सब
तो अब बम्बई का इलेक्शन करवा ले बीएमसी का। अब क्या होगा? अब बीएमसी इलेक्शन होने चाहिए और नॉट, दैट इज द बिग। ऑल्सो लेट मी गो अक्रॉस टू गौरव चाचरा। गौरव चाचरा, एक रिजल्ट है जिसपे बहुत कसक है, वो है उत्तर प्रदेश के 7-2। सुन चुके हैं कि पुलिस स्टेट है, पर यहां भी ईवीएम की गलती है। ऑल्सो वेलकमिंग प्रियंका कक्कड़ ऑफ द आम आदमी पार्टी टू द पैनल। आई विल कम टू पंजाब इन जस्ट अ मिनट, बट उत्तर प्रदेश फर्स्ट। क्या दिक्कत है? ईवीएम उत्तर प्रदेश में गलत है, महाराष्ट्र में गलत है, पर बाकी देश में ठीक ठाक है।
नहीं, देखिए, ये जो बाद में हमें 20 तारीख को पता लगा कि बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, एक है तो सेफ है नारा किस लिए था? ये प्रशासनिक अधिकारियों के लिए था कि भैया बट गए तो कट जाएंगे, हमारा साथ देना। और जब प्रधानमंत्री जी अभी थोड़ी देर में ट्वीट करेंगे, अगर कोई भी इनका उच्च अधिकारी ट्वीट करेगा नेता, तो वो प्रशासन को भी धन्यवाद दे, क्योंकि सरासर ये प्रशासन की वजह से हुआ। नहीं तो 9 की 9 सीटें समाजवादी पार्टी के हक में आ रही थी। कैसे इन्होंने लाठी डंडे चलाए, किससे नहीं छुपा हुआ, कैसे इन्होंने बंदूक के बल पे लोगों को आगे नहीं आने दिया, पीडीए के लोगों को वोट डालने से रोका गया। ये बाबा साहब भीमराव अम्बेडकर जी के संविधान जो इन्होंने हमें दिया है, जिन्होंने इन्होंने अधिकार दिया था, उसका अपमान है, जनता के मत का अपमान है। तो जनता माफ नहीं करेगी। आपके चैनल के माध्यम से मैं उत्तर प्रदेश और देश की देवतुल्य जनता को धन्यवाद दूंगा, जिन्होंने इंडिया गठबंधन के हक में वोटिंग करी है, समाजवादी पार्टी के हक में वोटिंग करी है। और रिजल्ट भले ही हमारे हक में यहाँ पे नहीं आया,
जितना आप घबराएंगे एक है तो सेफ है, उतना शहजाद पूनावाला जी ऐसी टी शर्ट पहनकर आ जाते हैं जिस पर लिखा है एक है तो सेफ है, बटेंगे तो कटेंगे। शहजाद पूनावाला, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड टू गौरव चाचरा who is criticizing the slogan of the BJP, but Akhilesh Yadav used the similar, क्या साथ रहेंगे तो जीतेंगे, something like that, rhyming response दिया था। शहजाद प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड। जुड़ेंगे तो जीतेंगे।
नाविका, ये वो लोग हैं जो पीडीए की बात कर रहे हैं, जिसने करहल की बेटी बांटी गई और काटी गई समाजवादी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता प्रशांत यादव के द्वारा, तो अभी तक मिलने नहीं गए अखिलेश यादव। ये पीडीए की बात कर रहे हैं। जब भजनलाल जाटव जी के पास से माला एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया राहुल गांधी ने, ये दलितों की बात कर रहे हैं। एक सेकंड, मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला गौरव जी, मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला गौरव जी, मैंने आपके बीच में नहीं बोला। एक एक करके बात रखते हैं। मुझे लगता है कम से कम नाविका आप तय कर लीजिए, मैं एक एक करके बात रखने में विश्वास रखता हूं। नाविका जी, ये संविधान की बात कर रहे हैं, ये वही लोग हैं ये वही लोग हैं जिनके लिए एक है, सेफ है, सांप्रदायिक है, बटेंगे कटेंगे सांप्रदायिक है, पर वो सलमानी जो गजवाए हिंद की बात कर रहा था वो सेकुलर है। मुस्लिम आरक्षण की बात रेवंत रेड्डी कर रहा था वो सेकुलर है। नोमानी जो कह रहा था वोट जिहाद होगा वो सेकुलर है। एक शब्द निकला उनके मुंह से, आज ये जीत एक है तो सेफ है की जीत है, और मुझे लगता है कि इसीलिए आज पूरे देश ने इस नारे को अपनाया है। हरियाणा से शुरुआत हुई, महाराष्ट्र ने अपनाया है, उत्तर प्रदेश में भी दिखा है। तो गौरव जी एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए, एक है, सेफ रहेंगे, पर इनके लिए क्या है, मठाधीश बांटेंगे काटेंगे सेकुलर है, मठाधीश माफिया है, इनके लिए सेकुलर है। ये इनकी असलियत है।
Well, let me get in Priyanka Kakkar. Priyanka Kakkar, the Aam Aadmi Party has retained 3 out of the 4 seats that went to polls, by polls in Punjab. EVMs are fine. I wanted to check on the health of EVMs in Punjab. They seem to be fine. In Maharashtra, there is a problem. Uttar Pradesh, there is a problem. Jharkhand also, they are fine. Karnataka, they are fine. West Bengal, they are fine. Do you think this EVM bahana actually still stands?
Navika ji, I'm no authority to speak on the EVM. Having said that, we've heard enough experts like Elon Musk also, who is the new favorite of our PM, that anything which has technology can be manipulated. Having said that, I'm very happy that Aam Aadmi Party won 3 more seats in Punjab. I will also go and take the liberty to say that Congress is a party which drags down its alliance partners. I think Arvind Kejriwal ji is the only leader today that can really take on the BJP and defeat them, which we've consistently proven in the past. I think even the 99 seats that the Congress got previously in the Lok Sabha was because of a joint effort of all the parties coming together. I think it's time that Congress does a little manthan, that, I am thinking that it drags the alliance partners down. So this is my view on the EVMs, on the Congress and on my party.
संजय जी, आज बुरा दिन है, आज सब सुना के जाएंगे
No,
आपको।
Navika, let me tell you. Let me tell you, Navika, I think in politics you need to be humble enough to take this feedback in its spirit. There is no denying, and I have myself been very vocal about it, you're aware, that I believe that in politics, if there is no silver medal, there's no runner-up trophy today. You got to fight, you got to try and win it. And Congress has made strategic and tactical errors. I believe the people in Maharashtra who have supported the Congress Karyakartas, they must be so disappointed today. Because 6 months ago, I could see how the mood was so upbeat, and they'll wonder what changed in 5 months. But I have also been speaking to a lot of people, and they told me 3 months ago that the BJP was already trying to claw its way back, and that the RSS had become very active at the ground level to go door to door to campaign for the BJP at the very beginning.
Why only in one state?
Well, obviously it's a big state. It's the second biggest state after.
What the expectation of
Uttar
AAP,
Pradesh.
why they are talking like that is because in 2024 Lok Sabha election, Congress party gave a lot of seats to SSUBT, AAP. You took only 5 seats in Delhi.
Right.
And you gave 2 seats, 2 seats in Delhi, and 5 seats were contested by AAP. 1 seat in Haryana you gave it to AAP. I'm talking about Congress party.
Right.
In Gujarat you gave seats to AAP.
Right.
So what happened was the India alliance partners felt that Congress has been magnanimous enough, and they expected to continue the same magnanimity. And Congress is now caught between deep sea and devil.
The same in
Right.
Maharashtra.
That's where the problem is.
JVC,
That's where the problem is.
JVC, that's the point. But the way I look upon it is that you can't afford to hold on to a position until you start to deliver and win. So, for example, if the Congress had won in Haryana, Navika, in fact, we were together out here in your studio a month ago. Trust me, it galvanizes your cadres.
Correct.
Politicians are only one person who, comes on media and does all the tall talk. The election is fought at the ground level by unknown faces who support you.
But in
And
the
if they
middle
get
of all of
demotivated,
this,
they can't.
in the middle of all of this, the first reaction coming in from Robert Vadra on the elections and results.
He's going to stand.
Ranjita Jha, Times Now Navbharat's very senior
Great, yeah.
reporter who covers Congress party, has that interview. Let's cut across.
I'm very happy for her. I'm very thankful to the people of Wayanad to have voted for her and selected her to represent them in Parliament. And I think it could be a record-breaking victory. I think most importantly that I always saw her campaigning and just doing a lot of work for the Congress, every part of the country. But I think I'm very happy, and I've always said that she should be in Parliament. Haryana, definitely everybody thought that Congress would definitely win, and they were very, very surprised with the results. And I think, people will do their own investigation, the parties will do their own investigation and understand what went wrong in Maharashtra as well. But it's a process of learning. Definitely everybody is doubting the EVMs, but but that I think officially or in a judicial way has to be looked at. And by me saying that definitely there's something wrong in Maharashtra and something right in Jharkhand will not be correct.
That's a very mature way of looking at things. Would you want to compliment Robert Vadra, Shehzad, because he says that I can't compliment the EVMs in Wayanad and in Jharkhand, but find fault in Maharashtra?
Navika, in fact, I want to make a big expose on your channel. Today there is Rahul Congress जो EVM blame कर रही है, Rahul Congress जो मातम में है, और प्रियंका कांग्रेस जो EVM को absolve कर रही है. तहसीन पूनावाला भी I don't know which side of the Congress he is on, and then they are celebrating also the Wayanad victory. तो आज जो प्रत्यक्ष रूप से कभी दिखा नहीं, वो प्रत्यक्ष रूप से आ चुका है कि एक है राहुल कांग्रेस और एक है प्रियंका कांग्रेस, और वो दोनों आपके सामने है. राहुल कांग्रेस मातम में, प्रियंका कांग्रेस सेलिब्रेशन में. अब संजय झा कौन से कांग्रेस में है? ये तो कांग्रेस में ही नहीं है.
The party has won almost and leading, and it is decisive.
So they're back to 99. It's not 100. Century nahi hui. That is also a big takeaway from the parliament.
98 it will go.
Sanjay.
99 था. एक विश्वजीत पाटिल was supporting as an independent. He didn't win on the Congress का ticket.
Yeah.
तो अभी 99, 98
But he came later on.
हाँ.
Yeah.
But then they will go back to 99 with Priyanka.
हाँ.
With Priyanka.
नहीं, दो हो गया.
So 99 included
Century nahi ho rahi.
किसी भी हालत में नहीं हो रही.
I can tell you, Navika, today I think is a day for the Congress to sit back and seriously ruminate on missed opportunities. I can understand if you're a laggard, you're not expected to win. We were expected to win Haryana. We were expected to be a bigger contributor in Jammu and Kashmir. Frankly, Maharashtra, I know a number of people are like saying Mahayuti did this and that in the works, but the bottom line is I have been speaking to people till yesterday, Mahavikas Aghadi, even after the exit poll, many leaders believe we were going to be crossing the 50% mark. So I think when you're expected to win and you don't, then I think you got to seriously worry where you're going wrong.
Well, let me get in Advocate Sushil Vyas, and congratulations to you, Mr. Sushil Vyas. Stupendous performance coming in from the Mahayuti, led by the BJP and performed very well by the Shinde Sena, and that's very evident from the the brightness that you can see on Mr. Eknath Shinde's face. I want to ask you, real Shiv Sena kaun hai? Ye to that has been established. I want to ask you, is there any possibility of shaking hands with Uddhav Thackeray? Is there any possibility of a joint future in the future? Mr. Vyas, I think you are on mute.
Navika ji, I was just saying that there is no confusion about the fact that the present election we fought under the able leadership of Eknath Rao Shinde ji, and he led us to this victory. So now, as you said, the real Shiv Sena is now established. The 12 crore Maharashtra voters have endorsed that who is the real Shiv Sena. So why we should go back to the person who has being misguided, who is person for the sake of only chair, went along with the Congress and other parties, those who are not having the same views, political views. So there is no question of going back with Uddhav Thackeray now. Now we will lead to have a progress of Maharashtra in Mahayuti with BJP and Ajit Pawar ji strongly will go further.
Well, I want to also ask you who's going to be the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Eknath Shinde, under whom the election was fought? Or do you think this time grace will be shown by Shinde ji to make way for Mr. Fadnavis?
There is a convention and that constitution also provides the newly elected MLAs of all three party of a pre-poll alliance, that is Mahayuti, will come together and they will elect their leader. Whosoever he or she is, he will be our chief minister.
What is the demand of your party going to be? I'm asking you your party's demand.
Definitely.
Constitutional provisions हमें आते हैं, आपसे ज्यादा election हमने देखे.
Since definitely as a follower of Eknath Rao Shinde, I wish to him to see as a chief minister, but as a decision of Mahayuti, there will be a consensus, has to be there. All three party MLAs will come together and they will elect their leader.
Well, respond Shehzad Poonawala.
Of course, each party will want that their leader becomes the chief minister. It's nothing wrong to have aspirations in politics. But the fact of the matter is that one consistent stand of the Mahayuti has been that the three leaderships, the Bharatiya Janata Party Parliamentary Board, Eknath Shinde ji of his party and Ajit Pawar of his party will sit together and decide along with the MLAs. That is a clear-cut decision. But on the other hand, there was complete confusion. Forget us. Ask Mr. नरेंद्र कि अभी तक फोन लगा के पूछा एलओपी कौन बनेगा. इनसे पूछ लीजिए एलओपी हरियाणा में अभी तक नहीं बना पाई. कांग्रेस पार्टी हैज नॉट बीन एबल टू डिसाइड इट्स एलओपी इन हरियाणा. फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग एल्स. तो मुझे लगता है कि वहां पर कंफ्यूजन, डिवीजन, करप्शन, एम्बिशन, पोजीशन हमारा मिशन और विजन, इसीलिए हम लोग महाराष्ट्र में रिटर्न कर रहे हैं और इनको दिया.
I am joined by Mr. Ajit Pawar on the phone line. Mr. Ajit Pawar, many congratulations. Stupendous performance by the Mahayuti. आगे, oh well. He's surrounded by his supporters, so couldn't get more than just a congratulations through. We will try and reconnect with him.
मुझे पूछ रहा था वो.
हाँ?
लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन कौन रहेगा?
कौन?
आपका पोजीशन ही नहीं है.
अरे अभी डजन अभी शरद पवार जी के डजन भर है, 18 है, 22 है.
तो कैसे?
ऐसी बातें नहीं करना चाहिए ना.
ऐसे थोड़ी देते हैं.
जब बुरा समय आता है तो शहजाद जरा अच्छे से रहा करो.
So one important observation is with this current numbers, neither Sharad Pawar ji, nor Sanjay Raut, nor Priyanka Chaturvedi can go to Rajya Sabha.
अरे बाबा एक बात बताऊं.
Okay, so he says that neither Priyanka Chaturvedi, neither Sanjay Raut or any other big leader from Maharashtra will be sent to Rajya Sabha.
Because they don't have the numbers, so they can't send too many Shiv Sena people to Rajya Sabha. They can't send anybody probably to. But let me go back to Priyanka Kakkad. Priyanka Kakkad, the question, you've hit the nail on the head. The Congress is pulling down its alliance partners. Is it going to be a bitterly fought campaign in the next forthcoming election, which is the election of Delhi?
I think, Delhi Congress, we all know where it stands. So the less said, the better. And I really think, like I said before, that, although there are problems with the Congress party or they have constantly faced defeat, but this Maharashtra elections, this is the first time I've heard Shehzad say ek akela sab par bhari nahi hai. This time they will sit together and decide who the CM will be. That's a very new thing. So to some extent, I would think that the India Alliance also helped curb their arrogance to a large extent, which previously I don't think even Modi ji required anybody's support. I think the election results, Lok Sabha humbled him. And I think it's time for Congress also to introspect and not let just one win get to its head.
Looks like everybody is here to humble the largest parties, national parties in India. But whichever way you look at these numbers, it's a Nelson on the board. 222 for the Mahayuti, 56 for the Mahavikas Aghadi. It's a total demolition. Ukhad diya. Payback time to Sanjay Raut. उखाड़ दिया महायुति ने महाविकास आघाड़ी को, and that is the headline. एक है तो safe है, that is the headline. And what is the message of this election is clearly appeasement, appeasement, appeasement. cannot be the formula which will win elections for the India Alliance and its bogey on the constitution and caste census. Probably is wearing out. New formula, new strategy required. But for now, Brand Modi rules. Brand Modi rules after Haryana and now Maharashtra. The sweep in Maharashtra. Well, ek hai to safe hai. On that note, thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on this broadcast. Taking a short break, much more coming up on the other side. News, press conferences, and Kaun Banega Mukhyamantri. That is something we'll bring to you, viewers. Don't go anywhere just yet.